Alright, here are a couple, might be heat pumps at this hotel. Yeah, these are heat pumps. This is a ICP 2021, that's a 3-ton. That is ice cold. Here's a Bryant 661C? It is. 2002 3-ton. That's not been running. Sorry about that. It's not been running. Has a big Bristol in there. It was focus. It's the reversing valve. Yep. Oh, there's a comfort maker. Alright, there's a couple more units that I will film. Daikin real quick. Heat pump. Emerson Copeland scroll. Here's a comfort maker. Ooh, fan spinning really slow. Air's blowing out the side as well. There's a Pain Century. Emerson. Little comfort maker. Oh, sweet, this is a heat pump. Let's try to get back to the dead. It's a Bryant base model. 2006 213 RPG. There you go, T.O. 2006 4-ton. Now you can make the Bryant and Roblox. Bryant base heat pump. I'm not getting the data on these two. It's a Marathon. 2024 1.5 tons. Just shut off. Marathon, that compressor's maybe on its last legs. I believe that's an Emerson Copeland scroll. A couple more units on the backside. I believe these were filmed by another enthusiast. Here's two Grand Airs. 2011, that's a 1.5 ton. Copeland scroll. That one's the same. Another Bryant 561C. Sorry if it's loud. GE. 2002. 2-ton. Huge Bristol in there. Here's a, I'm assuming, yeah, it's heat pump. Comfort maker probably. This is an older one with the Copeland scroll. 2012 3-ton. And that has not been running. Gentech. It's another 661C and a fence right there. And yeah, I can't get to that, but I'm trying to get to the data. I can't zoom in on the data, unfortunately. It's actually a Goodman. Goodman and another comfort maker. And one more comfort maker, which I'm assuming that's a heat pump. Alright guys, so we're about to go to a gas station real quick. Let's film some more units. Carrier comfort at a gas station real quick. It's not a heat pump. 2019 510. I have an LG. It does. LG. Here's this Generac generator and 2 refrigeration component just shut off. That is a huge compressor in there. Actually, this is the compressor. This is a turbo. Alright. It's like I think a Ream Valiant and a Mana on the other side. So, see y'all there. The last two, a Mana and Ream Value. Hope and scroll. Some Mana is extremely quiet. 2018 410. That's working okay. Not sweaty, but it is cold. This Ream Value, it's a rude, but the data is crammed back there. I may edit that or something. So, yeah, that's gonna conclude this. And I just want to thank y'all so much for 300 subscribers. It really means a lot to me. And road to 500, guys. Road to 500. I think we can do it. So yeah, it's gonna conclude this 300 subscriber special. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you in the next one. Over and out.